Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Subaru Starlink app. Alright, if you drive a Subaru and you want to know how to use the Subaru Starlink app, I'm going to explain in very simple terms using your iPhone. First, unlock your phone and open My Subaru app. This is the app used for Subaru Starlink services. Log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see your vehicle on home screen. Now, let's go over what you can do. Remote start. Tap remote start. Before starting the car, you can choose setting like temperature, default, heated seat if your car has them. Tap vehicle start and confirm. Your car will start from your phone. On the home screen, tap lock or unlock. This lets you lock or unlock your door automatically. Vehicle status also you can see. Here you can see fuel level or battery level, tire pressure, door and window status. Tap the vehicle location. This allows and shows where your car is parked, which is helpful in parking lot. Tap maintenance. You can see service reminder, warning alert, vehicle health update, and that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.